Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch D2. Begin by carefully unboxing your new device and placing it on its magnetic charging cradle to power up. A full charge typically takes about 90 minutes, ensuring it reaches 100% capacity. Next, install the Huawei Health app on your smartphone, establish your account, and then pair your watch effortlessly via Bluetooth. This essential setup prepares your Watch D2 for all its fantastic features. Navigating your Watch D2 is straightforward with its responsive touchscreen and dedicated buttons. Swipe left or right on the display to quickly view important widgets like your heart rate, current weather, or daily activity rings. A simple press of the top button opens your full app list, granting access to all installed features. For immediate health checks, the bottom button acts as a convenient shortcut, initiating measurements such as blood pressure effortlessly. Swipe down for quick settings too. The Watch D2 serves as a powerful health companion, delivering advanced monitoring capabilities directly from your wrist. It provides highly accurate electrocardiogram readings, offering deep insights into your heart's rhythm and electrical activity. Its innovative miniature pump and airbag system enables precise, medical-grade blood pressure measurements anytime you need them. Additionally, continuous heart rate tracking and comprehensive sleep analysis provide a holistic view of your well-being. This device truly empowers your proactive health management. For fitness enthusiasts, the Watch D2 provides an impressive array of features. You can choose from over 100 distinct workout modes, covering activities from running and cycling to swimming and yoga. Its integrated dual-band GPS delivers exceptionally precise route tracking and distance measurements for all your outdoor adventures. After each session, detailed reports offer valuable insights into metrics like calories burned, heart rate zones, and overall performance. This watch truly helps you track your progress and achieve your fitness aspirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.